If your sinuses are all congested, or you notice you're having problems breathing where it's all stuffy, try this technique. Take these two fingers, run it all the way down the bridge of the nose and wrap it around the cheekbone. Once you get to that cheekbone, put your thumbs inside, underneath that cheekbone like this. Push in and up and spread them. And just keep spreading them apart. These are called the zygomatic bones. This will fan out the bones. It will open up the sinus cavity and help you breathe better, particularly behind the nose and even up in the eyes. You hold it about 45 to 60 seconds. Now let's open the eustachian tubes to get that draining. 5 small puffs, holding your nose and keeping your mouth closed. Do not blow too hard.